Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wig hair review, I guess. And the next company is Trendywigs. And I know the box kind of looks like beat up, but that was my fault. The wigs I'm going to be showing you guys are actually two like completely different wigs. I mean, they're both synthetic hair, but like the color completely different. So I have the beanie on and the wig. I mean, and the wig cap's on still, but I put the beanie on to maybe make it look better. Anyways, in the Trendywig box, this one, it comes with like a little crown. I mean, like a little headband with ears on it. I'm so edgy. And then it also comes with a wig cap, except for theirs is different, so I should probably take these wig caps off just in case, because you know, I want to stay true to their brand. I'll keep the ponytail in, it's still a good ponytail. Okay, so this is their wig. It's curly and red and it has dark roots. It's like an ombre, like a black to red ombre. That's what it looks like. And it's supposed to be like curly, except for these curls are really messy, but I also haven't brushed it out or anything, or like straightened it, because I bet if you straightened it, like straightened out the curls, it would look better. This is a synthetic lace front wig, and it also has a middle part, and the hair feels nice as well as the other wig. It comes with a black wig cap and a tan wig cap, so I'm going to use the black wig cap because my hair is black on the roots. So I'm just going to put this on right now just to see how I'm going to look with it. Okay. That's not what I was expecting, but it'll get better, hopefully. So first, I'm just gonna brush this wig out because she needs a brushing. So it looks much prettier now that the curls are brushed out. They're bouncy and flowy and all that. That's what everything looks like. It's really silky and soft. So now I'm gonna cut out the lace front of it so I can put it on. And when you cut it out, I know that you don't want to cut all of it out. Like you want to leave like a slick lining of it, I guess, because when you glue it down, that's the part that you glue down, like with the gel. But I'm obviously not gluing down it because I'm not that dedicated, I guess. I cut off the lace front of it. So I'm gonna put on the wig cap and I'm gonna put it on. This wig cap is a little different. It's like a fishnet. Oh. Why is there two holes? I don't know how to put this on. The instructions weren't very clear. How is this supposed to work? Like this? Oh! Okay. And I have to pull it up on my hair. So this is different. So I got the wig cap on. I don't think I did it right, but that's okay. I have the wig on. I also just hit my head on my table getting like brushed, so. This wig has clips in it also. So I just clipped it to my hair on one side. Okay, I did it to the other side too. So this would look like, except for I don't think I placed it right because my forehead is not that big. So obviously if you know how to lay down a wig right with the glue and everything, it's gonna look different. Because you know, you could actually lay it down and pull out your edges a little bit, because this one does have dark roots, so I can pull out my edges and have little baby hairs on the front to make it look more realistic. But I can also put on my beanie. Okay. I've always wanted like dark red hair, but this is a little too red for me. I was thinking the beanie would look better if it was black. But yeah, that's basically how the wig is. I like both of the wigs a lot. This one is really soft and so is the other one. This one is also super lengthy. I forgot to mention that it was super lengthy. So I would just recommend getting wigs from both places because they're both really nice and cheaper wigs, like on the cheaper side, which is nice. So yeah, I'd recommend getting wigs from both of them, especially if you actually know how to lay down a wig and you are a wig wearer, I guess. I hope y'all enjoy this video and me looking crazy in two colors that do not suit my face. Anyways, I love you guys, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment like always, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!